What's going on, guys? So I got another video for you today. We got an eBay spoiler. So this was about 70 bucks maybe with tax. So we're gonna put it on the car today. It came with 3M tape. I don't know how good it's gonna be, but I have obviously a mega roll. Now this also may be too thick, so I may cut in sections and then cut in half. But yeah, this is the spoiler. Looks really nice. Let me show you some pictures of what it looks like on the car before I actually mount it. Looked really cool, so I was really pleasantly surprised. But let's check it out. All right, now, so what you want to do before you put it on, you want to rub it down and wipe it down with rubbing alcohol, which I've already done, but that's not really needed to be shown. So you just wipe on this area, the center, and the other side. So I've already done that. I'm going to start to get the spoiler in position, and I will show you what it looks like just before I put it on the car. So this is without having it fully mounted, but this is how it's going to look. Looks pretty cool. It does have a little bit of a space on the sides. It does have the mounting in the middle and then more spacing. So it's going to look very close like this. But if I hold it down, this is how it's going to look. I think it gives it a stellar look. I think it's really sick. So let's get to mounting it. All right, well, here's the finished product. Now, I did make it too close, and this rubs right here along the body piece, but it's okay. I was able to move it just enough. The tape, you can see it's a little visible, but other than that, it's not too bad. The center was pretty easy by just pushing down, making sure that there's a solid amount of contact right here. So, and then the same with the other side. It's not too bad. A little bit of tape sticks out. I'm gonna see if I can remove it, but otherwise, fitment is good. Got to make sure you have the clearance here, so when you do open the trunk, it won't rub or scratch. So I have a little over here, a little 3M tape I'm gonna try and get off, or just do that. And the tape is just a little bit visible here. I'll see what I can do to remove that. It's not too visible here, which is good. But this is the finished look. Looks awesome. A little bit of airflow that flows right under. Perfect. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this install. Thanks for watching. I'm going to put the link for this in the description down below. So thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.